Just come down the red, with nice big slope in Italy. System holding up lovely, as you can see. That's a full day with a helmet on, sweating. It's all looking good. So for those worrying about going on activity holidays with a system on, you know, there's really nothing to worry about. The system's held up perfectly all day. I've brought, you know, some tape along with me if I need it, but as you can see, pretty confident I'm not going to need it. See the surroundings I'm in, you know, got my ski boots on, show you I've been skiing. So again, thumbs up for the system, thumbs up for Hair for All. And yeah, anyone with concerns about going on holiday, sun holiday, you see me on a sun holiday, see me on a snow holiday. So peace out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.